Okay, we were called out to a water restoration job. We've later found out there's mold in here. We're licensed for mold as well. We're a GC company. And the one thing when you build a home, if you look at this home over here, next door neighbor, you can see they have a grade away, which is what you're supposed to be, 10 feet out, 6-inch drop, which is what they have, and that looks right. In this area here, they put so much chips and wood stones, and also have a border here. It has a negative grade into the house rather than a positive grade away. So that's not good. You also see where the water's been coming in so hard, you can see a stain. There's a stair step crack there. And when we came up closer, termites and things of that nature, when you see them, see that they're traveling in there because there's water. Most people don't think you can get termites inside of a block wall. That's false. Those cracks, they'll come inside. So now we're going to come inside. Remember this corner, remember where this water seems to be settling. You can see it down there. These rocks are saturated. They're still wet, very wet. We're going to come inside now.